Padol, uy, Sherlyn. Ha? Diyos na masud, atay. Atala ni. Di lagi sila makuha. Udah pa doon. Ano?
Never saw the nation soar by warfare, jealousy, or scorn, or hatred of their kind. I fly, I fly, I fly, I fly, I fly with thunder crush, and into their blinded blossom crush. And oh, their evil thoughts of you. And oh, their evil thoughts of you. And all the evil thoughts of you. I teach them. I teach them. Hallelujah.
Okay.
Hallelujah. I teach them. I teach them Christian brotherhood. If I were a voice, a pervading voice, I'd seek the things of earth. I'd find him alone in the depths of night and whisper words, words which guide and right, mess with priceless words. I'd fly, I'd fly, I'd fly, more sweet than a swiftest bird, and tell them things they never heard, truths which the ages were everything, and know the statement at their feet. If I were a voice, if I were a voice, an
Bikas ka.
immortal voice, an immortal voice, I'd speak to the people's ear, and whenever they shouted, liberty, 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 liberty. Liberty, libertum, liberty, libertum. Without deserving to be free. I make their errors clear. I fly, I fly, I fly, I fly, I fly. On the wings of faith, revoking wrong on my worldwide way. And making all the earth, and making all the earth, and making all the earth rejoice. If I were a voice, if I were a voice, an immortal voice, an immortal voice. If I were a voice, if I were a voice, if I were a voice, an immortal voice, an immortal voice. If I were a voice, by Charles Mackay.
Sus! Nasayop yata eh.